What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ben's Journeys. I'm actually filming this video in voiceover, so I hope the sound is good and that you enjoy the video. Anyways, I don't have a script, I just remembered what I'm going to say anyways. Today's gonna be an interesting morning, to say the least. I didn't do a proper introduction of myself last video, but I'm gonna share some personal information today, as you will find out. So as I said, today's a pretty special day because me and my wife are going to do an ultrasound to find out if our baby is a boy or a girl. I'm honestly feeling super excited and super nervous. I've been thinking about this for weeks now. It's really exciting. But at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter what it is. The only thing that matters is that the baby is 100% healthy and everything seems perfectly normal. But anyways, I have a strong feeling that it's going to be a boy, and then I'll have two sons. My wife really thinks it's a girl, but I already told her that it's going to be a boy, and then I'm 1000% certain of it. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys updated. Hi guys, I'm back. You could definitely say I was super duper wrong because it was a girl. I was a little bit surprised because I didn't expect to be wrong. I really thought it was gonna be a boy. My wife actually thought that I was a bit disappointed, but I told her that I am not, because I just thought it was a boy so hard, so I already had planned for it to be a boy, you know. I don't know how else to explain it, but you know, when you really think something is a certain way and it turns out it is not, you get a bit surprised, not disappointed. So I had to actually tell her I'm not disappointed. I'm actually really happy because now we'll have a daughter and a son, and we'll have one of each. So I'm super excited, guys. I'll see what happens next. But and the baby is healthy. The measurements are good. So happy news for me at least. Now I'm heading back to work. to do some work so I can afford this child because babies in this economy are not cheap. But I'm super thrilled, guys. I look forward to becoming a dad the second time. Um, we'll have a blast. Yeah, so kind of a small update from my part. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like I said, the time I'm editing this, I'm already home from my mini adventure with my friend. We picked up his bike, so I'm going to start edit that and posting some part series of that journey. I have many hours filmed already, uh, so I look forward to that. And yeah, take care.